I am so excited because I've moved all my stuff into a warehouse. Check it out. We got 14 3D printers in here. I'm having some dedicated electrical stuff though. I can't run them all at the same time with my climate control. So that's something I've got to work on. I'm trying to get an electrician out here to help me out with that. Also, for those of you who don't know, I am selling my comic collection. There's like 20,000 of them. There's a lot still going through. Different levels of organization. I swear there's a system. But once it's all done, this entire wall is going to be full of back issues. It's a work in process. I know it's going to be a lot of work. But I think together we can do it. I got some great buddies. I got some great light, weird stuff going on. And I partnered up with some very talented people who are hopefully going to help me create some amazing empire. So if you got any questions, just let me know. I'd love to hear what you got to say about all this stuff. If anyone has some fridge, mini fridge, microwave they don't want, let me know. I'm in Fort Worth.